Welcome to Unit 5, Industry 4.0 and the Future Factory. This video explores the transition from simply counting the number of factories to focusing on the depth of value they create. The core argument here is that tripling industrial output requires higher value factories, and Industry 4.0 provides a technological strategy for localization. This executive summary outlines how Industry 4.0 shifts strategy from factory count to value depth. The central idea is that doubling industrial output requires higher value per factory. We examine three pillars: the transformation defined by technology, the programs delivering it, and the concept of depth, which explains why this matters for localization. The first axis is the transformation. This section defines the fourth industrial revolution, focusing on its core technologies and the importance of vertical and horizontal integration across the value chain. Industry 4.0 is defined by integration, vertical integration within the plant, and horizontal integration across the value chain. This connects product development, suppliers, the smart factory, and customers, all working together to increase locally captured value. For a manufacturer, the fourth industrial revolution means more than just newer machines. It involves high-value work like in-house design, data-driven real-time optimization, customization, and digital traceability. These elements transform a basic assembly plant into one that captures significant local value. The second axis focuses on the programs. Here, we explore how the kingdom is delivering this transformation, scaling from approximately 100 model factories to over 4,000. We are moving from proof of concept to wide-scale adoption. Early initiatives laid the foundation, and now programs like M05 and the Factories of the Future are scaling these concepts across the industry, with the goal of establishing 14 industrial lighthouses by 2030. Three flagship programs are driving this smart transformation: the Advanced Manufacturing and Production Center, or AMPC, the Factories of the Future initiative targeting 4,000 factories, and the Industrial Lighthouses program. These are essential for meeting our 2035 industrial targets. The third axis is the depth link. We address why Industry 4.0 is critical for localization, specifically, how it increases the value captured within each individual factory. How does a smart factory increase value? Through three mechanisms: shifting high-value work in-house, raising labor productivity through data, and manufacturing complex parts that manual assembly cannot handle. These changes directly increase the local value captured for every Riyal spent. An honest analysis reveals four constraints: reliance on foreign technology, high implementation costs, weaknesses in operations and maintenance, and a shortage of skilled labor. These do not stop the opportunity, but they prioritize the need for localizing maintenance and building local talent. Industry 4.0 has direct implications for everyone. Manufacturers should use technology to capture value, not just for show. Investors should reward factories that achieve greater local value depth. Policymakers must focus on localizing maintenance and talent to prevent value leakage. For our discussion, do you believe we need to prioritize localizing technical knowledge before localizing equipment, or is a parallel approach the only way forward? Share your take. This video is based on various sources, including the NIDLP Execution Plan, the National Industrial Strategy, and internal analysis on value capture. Please verify all information against official government platforms like ic.gov.sa and modon.gov.sa before making any decisions. In summary, Industry 4.0 is not about machines for show. It is about capturing deeper value at home through higher value factories. Thank you for watching. The next unit will cover human capital and the Saudization economy.